Hey students, welcome to week 6. Nate here giving you an update on the class. Wow, you guys are doing some great work. I'm really impressed with the quality of your writing and your attention to detail. So thank you for all your work. This short announcement is going to give you an update on where we're at so far in points in the class. And then secondly, what is going on this week in week 6. A lot of assignments, a lot of points this week. And we're getting close to the final 2 weeks of the class, weeks 7 and 8. So listen up, I'll take maybe 7 minutes or so to give you some value updates on the course. All right, so points to date, we are at 335 points. If you are below 234 points, and this is not the case for most of you, then you would be below a passing grade at this stage, and it's week 6. So if you look at your point total in the course and you see that you're below 234, time to get going. You need to contact me with a Canvas inbox message so we can course correct you in that situation. If you are at 301 points or higher, then you're trending an A in the class. A B would be 268 to 300 points, and a C would be 234 to 267 points in the class. So check your scores on Canvas. Remember, once assignments close, they are closed. We don't go backwards, forensic accounting on grade items, so keep ahead of your due dates and make sure that you're getting stuff turned in. Okay, week 6, 115 points worth of goodies in week 6. Here's what you have on your agenda for this week. You have a discussion board. This one is due today, Wednesday, July 17th, and that one is 25 points, and it's regarding public speaking, short video, and then some opinion-based questions, so you'll find this one pretty easy to complete. Don't miss it. That's due today, Wednesday the 17th. You have a quiz, your 9th quiz on Chapter 13. That's 10 points. That's also on public speaking. You have your second step of the analytical report. Step 2, now that you've already in step 1 identified your criteria points and your 3 schools, in step 2, I'm asking you to write up your works cited. And we use the MLA, Modern Language Association format. In the week 6 resource pages, there are some great video tutorials on how to do a works cited using the MLA format. And remember, when we're writing this report, it's a research report. So getting the works cited and your citations correct is imperative for this project if you want to get a good grade. So watch those videos if you're unfamiliar with how to cite sources. There's great online tools like easybib.com that can do this stuff for you for free. Okay, but make sure you know what you're doing, both writing the report parenthetically within the report itself, how to cite sources in text, as we say, and then also the works cited at the end of the report. So that works cited is due this week, and that's 20 points. And then you have your last writing assignment, other than the analytical report, and that is your resume and cover letter submissions. So those are due this week. 60 points, 20 of those points being the resume. You should already have a resume built. That's pretty easy. You can just drop that into the assignment. And then the other 40 points is your cover letter. So your cover letter is another persuasive letter. And you want to look at some of the samples that I put in the week 6 resource page about how to write a cover letter. But remember that it is a persuasive letter. You still need the 7 parts of the letter. It's a persuasive format, so you probably want to start your opening paragraph with a question, and then you want to build your appeals. In this case, are about how you are the right person for the job and you match the qualifications that are listed in the job description. So I am asking for this assignment that you actually submit your resume and cover letter to an actual job posting. So go on to Indeed.com or Monster.com, many of the online job boards, whichever one you fancy, and find a job that you're actually interested in. And you're going to include that link to that job posting in this assignment along with the resume and the cover letter. Okay? So pretty straightforward. The works cited will take you some work to get that put together, but my goal is that you will not have to do the analytical report from scratch the night before it's due. So you've already got your schools, you've already got your criteria points, and after this week, week 6, you'll already have your works cited done. And then writing the report is actually, I think, the easiest part. All right, so that's 115 points. So after this week, week 6, you will be at a total of 450 points, roughly the halfway mark, which tells you that week 7 and 8, we have more than half of the points come up in week 7 and 8. Our big ticket items like the analytical report, your recorded presentation of your analytical report findings, your final exam. All right, so some big ticket items all come up in those weeks 7 and 8. Keep trucking. You guys are doing great work. Please look at my comments on your persuasive letter scores. Those are in the grade book with my comments. And keep up the good work. We're almost there. And when we're done, we can all look at where we want to go on vacation. If we get any chance to maybe travel or something, we can all at least dream, right? So look at the map and dream about having a vacation when this is all done, okay? Thank you. Message me if you have questions. Bye-bye.